Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a budget-friendly DIY mudroom wall makeover. This project is right in my kitchen nook area and it's perfect if you're looking for a smart way to maximize your space while keeping it functional for your family. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's jump right in. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Garlene, and I create motivational, inspirational lifestyle content for other mothers just like me. Today, we're diving right into this budget-friendly makeover. So here's what I picked up from Lowe's. I picked up a few of the 1x4x8 spruce pine strip, a 1x2x8, 1x3x8, some finishing nails, the fast dry caulk, wood filler, and you'll see that later in the video. One thing I love about Lowe's is that they can cut your wood to the exact measurements you need. And this is how I was able to break down the quantity and the length that I needed the wood to be for Lowe's to cut for me. So here's another close-up of the wood that I was able to purchase from Lowe's. All right, so here's the blank wall we're starting with in my kitchen nook. And this all started with me needing a space where my kids could drop off their backpacks and leave their shoes before fully coming into the house. We come in through the garage and the kitchen nook is to the left. This little spot was perfect for a budget-friendly mudroom wall, so that's exactly what I decided to create. And let me tell y'all, do not be intimidated by not having all the fancy tools to get this job done. As you can see, I used a hammer, okay? I did not have the electrical, pew pew, staple gun. I don't know the name of that tool, but anyways, I didn't have that. So don't let that stop you from getting down with a project. I did have a drill that I end up using for the hooks, and that was another item I purchased on Amazon. And I'll probably will put a name of it somewhere, but it's very simple for you to find on Amazon. Okay, so for the next few clips, I won't be doing much talking. I'll just let the video play. If you have any questions about the process, drop them in the comments below. I'll be sure to respond or even make a Q&A video. I hope you love the final look and that it inspires you to tackle your very own mudroom wall project. And if you do, please let me know. Please come back to this video if this video inspired you. Don't forget to hit that like button if this content spoke to you. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to be a part of my YouTube family to learn more about this home renovation process that I have going on. There's so much great things that I have in store, so you don't want to miss out. So hit that subscribe button and join the fam. All right, enjoy the rest of the video.